everyone. My name is Vadini. I am from RPIIT College, Karnal. Today we are going to learn a program in C, how to merge two arrays. Let's start with the starting. Hash include conio.attach, hash include stdio.attach. So these are the header files. Hash include stdio .h is the standard input and output header file. It is required functions like for printf and scanf. Whereas conio.h, this is just non-standard header file usually mostly used in compilers. If I even remove also, it will work because I'm not using down. Like we need to, it allows functions like getch and clscr to run. And in modern compilers like GCC, this is not usually needed. Let's start with the main function. It defines, this defines that the main function, the starting point of any C program. It's a best practice, like we can declare int main and return 0 at the end of the um, like if the new or the you can say the modern compilers are there. And let's then move on. We have to declare the variables, that is int a10 array to hold like first 10 integers, then b10, it means the array to hold the second 10 integers, c10 we need to the value which we need to put in the output, that is array to hold all the 20 merged elements from A to A and B. And I is kind of, it is a loop counter. Let's put the input first array. Then we it loops from like 0 to 9 and takes the 10 integers at the input from the user and stores them in one array, that is A. This is the array. So next one, similarly, but input the second array. How? Similar to the above, it collects the 10 elements and stores them in the array B. Then we need to make for third array, that is C. Here, this loop runs from 0 to 19, that is means 20 times. And the first 10 elements, which is I is less than 10 and are taken from A, remaining 10 elements, that is I is less than 10, are taken from B and placed in the C. Means here you'll be put in the C. And by adjusting the index, like index by bi minus 10. Then you need to print the last merged array. Okay, let's run the program first. We'll see the result over here. We need to write 10 elements for first array. Now input second array elements. So this is the output, like it merged both the arrays in a merged array. If you like our channel, do like and subscribe. Thank you for today.